Yo. The fuck? Yo, what's going on? If you watched KJ's videos, you'll notice that we went to Davis. I'm here with my brother today, so we're gonna enjoy the last few hours that he has in Fremont by heading out and going to a dope Thai place that not only serves Thai, but also dessert crepes. That's some good shit. Let's go. So Justin, how do you enjoy Fremont?
Fremont's alright. If you want to ask how I enjoy you guys, I can enjoy you guys in small bursts.
Thank you. Yo, we out here. I'm a little too tall for this. That's the first time I've ever had to say that before.
Welcome to my mukbang. I hope you guys like Thai food.
I was supposed to make.
Are you serious? Hell yeah!
I hate avocado toast. And that's it. That's how you open it up. And then I want you to talk passive aggressively about how much you hate avocado toast. I fucking hate avocado toast, I swear to God. If you order that at my store, I will beat you up. I will go across the counter. I will flick your nose with my middle finger. And then I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably say I'll beat you up and then I can't because I'm not the buffest guy in the world. I will take my rage out on you. The rage of my blood. 3 million Filipinos. That's a lot of Filipinos. That's just one household.
Are you serious?
Damn millennials, always texting. Damn millennials, always texting. But this is the essentials. Everyone walking to Jesus.
And I'm not texting, I'm reading.
These are damn millennials always reading. Actually, no, they don't. Millennials don't. So what's bopping, Kevin? Are you learning how to use Twitter like an old man? Yeah. I guess you can't really do that. I don't know. Yeah, you can't do that. I'll just put with your mom. Well, wait a minute. I don't have a mom. Thank you.
Brown rice.
Holy balls, that was good.
Whole wheat balls?
Holy balls. Well, Justin, you have to say goodbye to Kevin.
Yeah,
I'm waiting to get out of the street.
We're always on the streets. I wish I got how far?
Oh! Why you need so many bags, bro? Straight up, are you trying to tint your windows with bags? That's fucking genius.
Well, we're here at the train station. We have to say goodbye. It happens. There's a taco truck across from where I work. There is where I work. Seems like it was only yesterday when you got back in Fremont.
Well, yeah, because you drove me here.
Nice!
Look at it, so pretty. Fucking love this train station, dude. I also love it because it is right next to where I work. Makes my ass easier to, you know what I'm saying? It's got a nice little place for hobos to live.
And now, we wait.
Don't be too long. I might be on the wrong side though. It's not like I'm full
Outside there.
Take care, Justin.
Peace out, kid.
Yeah.
I'll see you next week.
I'm going.
Yeah.
Walk away, you don't
I have nothing more of use to do today. Just gonna go to work.
Let me explain.
Thanks for tuning in, y'all. It's clean that you're still watching this. I did separate rants and vlogs, but they're still gonna be in the same playlist because it makes my life easier. Also, who's gonna watch two different series on a, you know. Anyway, it just makes sense. So, y'all take care. Have a good one. Wear your seatbelt. Bye.